Growth assignment number 2. I want you to create a globally load balanced web application. Meaning pick either Linux or Windows, deploy it in 3 territories. I want you to deploy it somewhere in the US, in a region in the US, somewhere in Europe, and somewhere in Asia. Put a very basic HTML on these servers that says hello from the US, or maybe hello from Asia, or hello from Europe, whatever. And then I want you to use either AWS Route 53 or maybe use Azure Traffic Manager, create a round robin policy, and then I want you to initiate failures against different virtual machines and see how long it takes to fail over to the other machines. And the way you're going to know this is if you turn off the one in the US, then if your round robin is set up correctly, then the one in Europe or the one in Asia is going to respond. So make sure that you are doing that. Furthermore, what I then want you to do is take this a step further and then only show the European web page to users initiating from an IP address in Europe. And the same thing for the US. When the IP address is initiating from somewhere in the US, point them to the US one, and the same thing for Asia. So you've got 2 assignments within growth assignment number 2.